was what I say and make. Hi guys, thanks for watching. By in this video you will learn how to make boys round neck t-shirt pattern. So watch full tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Click bell icon button for next tutorial. Here is starting boys round neck t-shirt pattern. Let's see how to start. First make paper fold. Find the center back and center front line. This is center front, center back. Here I drawing horizontal line. This is neck and shoulder line. Now make half back neck width says 28 divided by 12. We got 238 inch, half inch back neck deep. Boys round neck t-shirt pattern. Drafting back neck deep, shoulder 12 inch, half 6 inch. Shoulder slope says divided 24, 118 shoulder line. Armhole deep line says 28 divided by 4, 7 inch. T-shirt length 18.5 inch, 18 half inch. T-shirt bottom and sweep line, hem line, armhole and chest line says 28 divided by 4. We got 7 inch. Also hip 7 inch. Side seam line 1.5 inch inside. Back armhole line from side seam. Back armhole line. Back armhole line. Front neck deep says 28 divided by 12. We got 238 inch. Front neck line, round line. Boys t-shirt pattern, back front drawing in one. Now I added 1 cm seam allowance both sides of t-shirt pattern, 38 seam allowance both sides of t-shirt pattern except bottom hem. Bottom hem seam allowance 3/4 inch 2 centimeters. Bottom hem seam allowance. The cutting boys round neck t-shirt pattern. Like, share, comment on this video. Thanks for watching. 38 seam allowance at front neck line and cut front neck line. We remember it back and front one pattern. Now across front, making across front half inch smaller than across back. Across front half inch smaller than across back, and across front line cutting. Cut the front armhole line, across front armhole line. Boys round neck t-shirt pattern, back front in one pattern, making back neckline, front neckline, one pattern making. Now slip pattern making. First fold paper and drawing slip head line, slip length 6 inch, 6 inch slip length. Drawing slip opening line, slip opening 9 inch, half 4.5 inch, 3/4 inch slip hem, seam allowance, slip hem line. Now measure body armhole line, 6 inch slip bicep width, slip bicep width 6 inch, bicep 6 inch divided by 2, half 3 inch minus half inch. We got 2.5 inch. This is slip cap height. Slip bicep line 6 inch, middle mark 3 inch, 3 inch middle, 1.5 inch for slip cap height. Width line 1 cm, half cm. Slip armhole line, slip cap line drawing, slip cap line, slip armhole line drawing. Like, share, comment on this video. Slip inseam line. Now added 38 seam allowance. 38 seam allowance. Drawing armhole measurement 6 inch and match to slip armhole line. Same. Cutting Boys neck round t-shirt pattern slip pattern cutting. Boys t-shirt pattern slip cutting. Boys round neck t-shirt pattern making and now slip pattern making finish and cutting finish. Body armhole and back sleeve armhole. Now measurement same. Quarter inch reduce here for front sleeve. This is full part or tal part. Sleeve front armhole side, sleeve back armhole side. Front armhole side 1 notch mark. Sleeve hem notch mark. Back side 2 notch mark. Hem notch mark. Front side 1 notch mark. Back side 2 notch mark. Back armhole. Front armhole. Neck rib pattern making. First make fold apart. Find the rib top line. T-shirt neck rib pattern making. Neck rib height 2 cm 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch 1 cm seam margin. 3/8 seam margin. We are drawing neckline measurement for neck rib pattern making. 6.5 inch 2 times 13 inch. 13 inch 2 cm 2 inch reduce 11 inch. Full neck measurement 13 inch 2 inch reduce 11 inch. We always remember full neck 2 inch minus. Full neck measurement 2 inch minus for neck rib pattern. When you make swing and stitching, swing time some stitch and meet to neckline. Neck rib cut always widthwise, fabric lengthwise, and cut neck rib pattern lay on fabric widthwise. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Boys round neck t-shirt pattern, front part, back part, sleeve, neck rib.